Hello, my friends. This is the this is factory level B9 of the factory. This era is another Biosoldier creation era, specifically for our vengeance. These areas are very cold because of the massive amount of heat the machines that create them, our vengeance, cause, and the heat of our vengeance themselves. It is kind of dangerous to be in here since, it is actually pretty dangerous to be in here since it's very freaking cold, and also there's kind of a problem with icicles on the ceilings. One might, fall on you. And also, try not to mess with the doors too much. You might get chopped in half by one. Yeah. It's also very blue, and you could also slip on ice. It's very cold. Well, Norwegians don't usually have a problem with it. They can go for that normally. Yes. Yeah. So, pretty cold area. Nice.